Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having pasta and with pippies and prawns. Have you seen that hack on TikTok? If you're on TikTok, that they cook the tomato and the feta cheese. Well, I thought I'd try that today. I've never tasted it, I've never tried it, but I thought I will try it one day. But I thought, what am I going to eat for my mukbang today? So I thought, I'm going to make it. It looks like what I see on, but I added pippies and prawns. Yeah, got to spice it up. And then I cut the uncut bread and made me my own garlic bread. I put oregano, garlic, and butter. That's how I did that one. But anyway, it's time to do prayer, guys, and then we're going to eat. Well, Chalora's gone to hang out with her friends. I thought, okay then, Chalora, I will do it by myself. That's A-okay. Yeah, I got my plate back here. Don't know what it's going to taste like, but I hear it's really nice. So, now here's a big prawn here. Put that on my plate. Oh, I love pippies, guys. I love pippies, as you can see. Yeah. Then I'm going to break me a bit of the garlic bread. Bye. Oh, and today's drink, guys, is orange juice. So cheers. If you guys can see the background, I've changed my background, guys. So this is going to be my future background now. Guys, do you guys like my intro? Guess who made it for me? Hey, it's Tara. So nice. It's so like professional. Yeah. See what happened, right? You know when I got 20,000 K subscribers? My daughters, Desiree and Sharon, they thought of something that they could do for me that's really nice, you know, like. And then they had seen that Tara had made an intro for Simply Danielle as well. So they must have decided to do it for me because I was happy with what I already got. My daughter Sharon said, go and look at the Instagram. I'm going, what is it? And she goes, just go and have a look, Mum. Anyway, guys, yeah, have a taste. Oh, yum. Yum. Oh, yum. It's like a party in your mouth. Oh, yum, yum. Yum. God. Man, you guys should make this. This is numero uno. Nobody was like, oh, yes, okay. So my daughter wouldn't tell me what it is because I get creeped out when, you know, like someone sends me a mail because, guys, I've had a creepy mail get sent to me. And ever since it's been like that, it's just like, it traumatized me. So and now I really open up mails now. I know, I'm scared. So when she said to open it up, right, to have a look at something, so I opened it up and I thought, oh, wow. So I said, who done that? Did you do that? And she goes, yeah. And she goes, oh, hell no. And she goes, you know, hey, it's Tara. I go, yes. And she goes, yeah, she made it. And I said, OMG. I said, Sharon, can you tell her I send her a big kiss and a hug for that, please? And she said, okay, Mum, I will. It's so nice. Okay, and then that was before she done my banner. And then when she sent the banner through, and Sharon sent that through, Sharon sent the outro as well. So that was really good. That was really good. Talk about professional. Some people are so good at what they do. And then she said, Tara sent me the banner. Go and have a look at it. I opened it up and I felt, So I said, Sharon, please, can you tell Tara I said, thank you so, so much and give her 3 kisses. And Tara said, that's a lot of kisses. So Tara, oh my gosh, thank you so, so, so much. Tara, you don't know how this makes me so happy. Thank you so much. And guys out there, if you guys got a channel and you don't have a good intro or something, head up Tara. She's professional. Far out. So good. Now I actually feel like I got a nice page. Like channel. And another thing. My old banner, she had incorporated that together with the new one that she's put together. Talk about considerate. To me, that's considerate because Sharon had said before, are you going to change your banner one day? And I said, no, I'm used to it, So knowing that Tara had put that in with the new banner, thank you so much, Tara. You're really considerate. Oh. Now you get 7 kisses. What's that? 7 or 6? I could have shortchanged you 1 kiss. This is nice, guys. But bless your heart, Tara. You're such a loving, loving person. When I met Tara at the Polyphono, she was so sweet. As you see her on her videos, that's her too, when you meet her. Lovely girl. Polyphono, eh? Oh. Come on, Polyphono. When the border opens, are we going to still have another one? And my garlic bread's got a lot of, I made sure I put a lot of garlic, butter, and oregano, guys. I made quite a lot because I thought that Chalora might join them, or my husband might join them. So I asked my husband, no can do. He doesn't want to. Rude. And then Chalora, oh no, I'm off to my friend's house, Amina's house. That's okay. I'm just here to enjoy this food and to show you guys my new intro and banner. Outro. Oh, wow. That gave me a shock. So, I don't know what happened. Come and tell me what happened, Frida.
So, Mother, what are we eating?
So, what happened? Give me your bowl.
Her
What?
There were more company, so...
Oh, a lot of people there. Yeah, come, you can fit there. You can't sit over there.
I want to do the off-camera thing.
No, just sit over here then.
Okay.
This is so nice. Look who came back.
Hi, guys.
Her friend must have had too many company. Hey, is that true, baby?
Yeah.
Do you want a prawn and pippies?
Sure, babes.
This is so nice. Whoever started this off. And do you want a garlic bread?
Sure, love.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually do.
You do? Yeah, you can have this one. I made that myself. It looks rubbish. It looks like ugly, but it tastes really yummy. Yep.
She had family over, so then didn't want to be there when her family was there.
Oh, yeah, well, don't they get together to share the,
Yeah.
the Ramadan food? Mm. Mm. And plus, she'll have her cousins over there maybe and that. So it's better you don't go because she'll have to entertain her family and then you at the same time, you know.
Did you make this?
Mm-hmm.
It was good.
You know that thing that they have on TikTok? You know, the feta cheese and the, yeah, that's what it is.
Oh.
Mmm. Ooh. This is so yummy, guys. Try and make it. It's so simple. It's only the feta cheese, the round tomatoes, the cherry tomatoes, the block of feta cheese, and then you dust it with whatever seasoning you want, garlic or oregano, and a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you roast it together with the cherry tomatoes. Oh, you drizzle it with olive oil or any oil that you like. And then you roast it till you see the tomatoes have popped and bring it outside, mash it up, and then you add your pasta, your cooked pasta in it. So if you make this and you take it to a Kongai, guys, people want to go, boy, why bang I put it there? Yeah. Yeah, this is really good. Oh, look at me trying to get some more when I still got a lot more. Greedy.
And you added prawns. I like it.
And Pippi, yummy. New intro, new banner, new background,
Wow.
and new outro. I know.
You're a new woman.
I know, growing up. And thanks to Tara, thanks to Dedra and Sharon, praise the good Lord for the things that we get. This is lovely.
You know who I feel like right now? You know Love, how sometimes she does mukbangs and then her kids eat, but they eat besides her, not on camera.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Who? Who does
Her
that?
son, Love.
Oh.
She eats on camera and then her son will eat next to her, but he won't be on camera and will talk.
Which one?
I'm not sure.
Darius or?
I'm not sure.
Oh, I've never seen an episode like that. The only one, yeah, two channels that I've seen do that are Yana the Gem and what's the other one?
I'm not sure. I've only seen Love do it.
Oh yeah, Steph and Tash. Yeah, that's the other two that I've seen.
What's this called, Mum? The little shell thing?
Pippies.
Pepe. Oh, sorry. Oh, they're like chewy.
This is lovely, man.
Is Pepe a NZ thing, or is it just a thing?
No, it's around a lot of places, but Pippi is a New Zealand name. The Maori name for the seashell.
Great job, Mum.
Beautiful. Did you see how high I lifted it? Nearly reached the roof. This is lovely, man. And my garlic bread is lovely too.
Yeah, I'm really liking this background. I think it looks better. Yeah. Baby, you got food on your chin.
What?
See, what would you do without me?
Okay. What do you guys think? What I'm going to say to Chihuahua. Okay, Chihuahua, since I started this today and you were in it, it's not $20.
No. Okay, guys, I was actually thinking about it when I sat down. I should get 50% because I'm in it for 50% of the video. Therefore, I get $10 for this video. Thank you. Yep. Yeah,
$55.
No, I started. This video is probably gonna go for 40 minutes. I came when it was 10 minutes in. Therefore, I get 50%.
Therefore.
Yeah, do the math, babes. Yep. So I get $10 for being her, and it's off camera. This is not special. Okay, I just raised my price 50. No, $10, babes, for this video. Because you know it's all about money. No, I'm just kidding.
Anyway, what do you guys think? Do you think she's ripping me off? Or should I pay her? I don't know. I feel she wasn't here. Started. Okay. The more of you guys say no, then I won't. I'll pay her $5. But if you guys say yeah, then I'll pay her $10.
But you gotta say like yeah and then explain what the yeah means.
So if you say yes, pay her, then it's $10. But if you say nah, don't pay her,
It's $5.
there's $5. Okay, guys. So she'll be counting those.
Yeah,
No,
I will.
Don't. I'll be counting them.
I think you can do a little poll, like you add a little. I don't know.
No. Let them come and put them. No, don't pay her. Anyway, I had the story I wanted to tell you guys. Anyway, guys, I have a story time today to tell you guys. Something I remembered, like, I was putting away stuff in the fridge and I saw a cabbage and it reminded me of something. So I was putting foods away in back into the fridge, and then I saw a cabbage, and it sort of reminded me of the story. What happened? So it was a Wednesday. Can never forget the day. It was a Wednesday, and my mother was going to make dinner for us, and the dinner that day was going to be meat with cabbage, but she didn't have cabbage. Okay. So she gave me $1 and she said, go to New World, this is in Cannon Creek, and buy a cabbage, buy a cabbage. And she said, and hurry up because I'm going to cook the meat now, and by the time you come, it's ready, yeah? So I got to New World, and as I was entering the New World, I saw my neighbor, a girl my age. She was walking outwards, and so I was happy to see her. So I walked up, hello, happy to see her, And what I wore, that day is like a parka with a hoodie. It's a parka. My mom bought us one, so when we go to school, it's like a windbreaker, and it has this pocket in the front. And that pocket in the front, you can push the jacket in and then zip it, and it's like a little purse thing. Anyway, that's what I wore that day. And as the girl next door was approaching me, she must have seen my anyway, it's a bad memory, and I never liked that memory. But she walks up and she opens up the pocket of that's in front of me, and she puts something in there. I go like this, and I have a look, and it's the small packet of roses that they used to sell back in the day, the little one. That's what she shoved in there. And I said, what's this? And she said, just keep it in there. And I said, oh, I've got to go and buy a cabbage. Anyway, so I went, got the cabbage, and then we were walking in the front. Walking in the front to pay my cabbage, guys. I'm not even joking. And Anita gave me a heart attack as a child. Anyway, my friend, they put their thing in my thing. She went and she stood beside the counter, and I'm paying for it. And as I was walking out, I got stopped. I got stopped by this lady. And she goes, come back in the shop. And I thought, why does she want me to come back in the shop? And I'm thinking about, taking the cabbage home. And she said, take that thing out of your pocket. And then that's when it dawned on me, this thing must be stolen. So I looked at my friend and she went, just that look on her face. Anyway, but the lady went and got her too. So that's her fault. Because, I wasn't, had no idea. Why couldn't she have just put it away? If she knew she was getting followed and that and she panicked, just check it back on the counter and leave. Far out, man. Get me into trouble. Anyway. So. So, full box of chocolate. I got blamed. Right? And, they rang the police. Okay? And then the policeman came, asked for my address, and I wanted to tell him, I wasn't going to get killed. I wasn't going to get killed. Even though I knew my mom is waiting for this cabbage, She's waiting for this cabbage. Anyway, so they didn't end up giving my cabbage. So they gave the money that I paid the cabbage for. They gave back the $1. And anyway, the police were questioning us, and I said, where do you live? And I wouldn't tell. I just won't tell after fear of getting a hiding, when I get home. Because I felt it wasn't my fault, Because I didn't even know. This friend of mine, so-called friend, she didn't tell me that she was stealing it. Anyway, so guys, I want to tell the police where I live out of fear for what's going to happen. So, and then that girl that tried to take the chocolate, well, we both took the chocolate when you think about it. She wouldn't tell where she lived to. But the thing is, she should have told, because her parents are lenient. They took us to the Salvation Army thing. So at the Salvation Army, the police went and talked to the people that's there, the man and lady. Quite. After that, I said to my friend, why did you give me the chocolate? Why did you give me the chocolate? I said to her, after this, if I get in trouble, you're going to get it. That's what I told her. I was so angry at her. And this man at the Salvation Army came in, and he was so sweet, hello, what's your name? Oh, what's your name? Like that, for Billy, Anyway, so he was just I'll tell you guys now. That guy, if he's still alive, he needs an Academy Award for his acting. For making us tell where we were, where we stayed. Anyway, so this is how he got the answer off us. He goes, if you tell me, he goes, the police will drop you off, and they won't tell your parents. Right? What a bargain. I thought, what a bargain. Anyway, so I thought, okay. And you know what else he said? He goes, if you tell us where you stay, the police will just go past your address but drop you up the road, and then you can walk home like nothing happened. And I thought, an extra bargain. So we told our address, right, to him, not to the police, but the police was waiting in the hallway. So when they got our address, they went and got the cops, the police, and then the police said, come on then, let's go. So what happened, we were going past our house, and I excitedly pointed out, I said, yeah, that's where I live, and hid. Oh, I was hiding in case I see someone's eyes at the window. But I happily pointed at, she pointed at her house, I pointed at my house. The police went past and he done a Yui. He done a Yui, and then we went back down. We went down, he got around, took me outside, and I'm looking at him like, you liar. Anyway, so the police woke me up to the door. And when my mother opened the door, just a disgust look on her face, looking at me, giving me the evils. I thought, anyway, so, and she goes, e kore aku e ke aru e whaka me sika pisi re whakari aku, ai rewa e aru whaire me makanga. And I couldn't even tell it to neighbours because it doesn't even matter because I just got them myself in that situation. Yeah, so she goes to the police, oh, yeah, sorry. You know, like, man, I don't even think the cop was in his car properly, and mama, she pulled my hair in, and I got a whooping. Even though I was telling her what happened, it still didn't matter. I mean, she was already angry that I took a long time. The family's got to get their food on the table. And where was I? So I got to hide. We're not allowed to go out for days. Because usually I'm allowed to go out and play, you know, after we do our chores and stuff. So, when I was allowed to go out and play, guess what, guys? Guess where I was heading? I know, troublemaker. Yeah, I went next door. And I went next door and I caught that girl that my neighbor. I wanted to fight her. I wanted to fight her for what she did. Because one thing, there was no talk or plan that me and her were going to do something like that. Plus, I was looking forward to that flake apisi. I was looking forward to that meal that my mum was going to make. See, she mucked around with my food too. And upset my mama by getting me caught with that stupid chocolate. Even though it's the best chocolate. Cadbury Roses. But they've changed the Cadbury Roses now, eh guys? And since they've done that, I don't buy it anymore. Like they make these, they put in these like rice bubbles inside the chocolate. And the strawberry used to be a bit runnier. And oh, my favorite one in there though is the mint. Dark chocolate. It needs to be nice and soft. But now they make it like much harder, which is still good. I still love it. And it's dark chocolate. I love it. I had an argument at the door with my friend. So her big sister, I saw her big sister walk past, so I thought, okay, I'm just gonna argue with her, but when we go to school, that's when I'm gonna fight her. So what had happened, guys? I was walking away and she was following behind me. You know, like she wanted to argue with me. And I thought, I don't want to fight. Your sister's home, she might come and bash me. Anyway, I turned around and I said, what do you want? And then she said, what, you want to, you know? And I thought, oh, so she come and push me. She pushed me and we started pulling hair. We were rolling around on the ground, pulling hair. And she was getting it. She was getting it real good. Because you know why? I was that angry at her. Because to me, I felt like she did something wrong to me. And I wasn't even in the plan or whatever. So she was getting a real hearty. She was crying and everything. And not me. Oh, I was just wanted to devour her and everything. So that's what was happening. You know, so we were fighting. And then her sister opens up the window and she yells out. She goes, "Get us out of the house now!" And then she just closes the window. That was me, and my little sister was getting, you know, like having a fight with someone next door. I'm going to go outside and pull them apart and tuck my sister in and go, "Come on, nah." Anyway, so this was before my mum became 7 days Adventist. So guess what, guys? I go next door and I say to my mother, I went next door and I gave a hiding. And then she said, "Yeah?" And I said, "Yeah, I wanted to go and fussy her because, you know, she done that thing and made me, you know, get caught by the police and because it's all her fault." And she goes, "Yeah, Lily." Yeah, my mum said it was good. You know, because maybe after her bashing me up so badly, she must have felt guilty because she must have thought, "Oh, well, it wasn't my daughter's fault, but still." Anyway, so that's what happened, guys. So that's the story about the stupid cabbage.
Can I have another one? Okay, if I came home and I was like, "Mum, a girl just gave me a hiding."
Do you want a prawn or pippies?
Pippies.
Hello. Okay. This is nice.
Yeah. If I came home and I was like,
I'll give you 2 pippies.
And
you know what's good about it? Sorry, sweetheart. Yeah. What happened?
And I came home and I was like, "Mum, a girl just gave me a hiding and I'm crying. Would you let me go back and fight her?"
Well, I don't know why you have to come all the way and tell me. Why couldn't you have fixed it up in the first place? No.
So you would?
Well.
You would let me go back and...
Okay, but if it was a fair fight and you lost, oh well. You win some and you lose some. Put it that way.
I like that, Vids. I like that.
Yes, true. Why would I send you back? Unless they bullied you.
To get another hiding?
Yeah, get another hiding. Now, unless they bullied you, oh no, then I'll go fix it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like bullies. Hey, I'm not a bully. Nah, I'll go fix it. Anyway.
No, she actually would fix it. Like, she would show up to school.
Yep.
A little story time.
Anything that happens with my kids at school, I'll turn up. Because I gotta fix it. I gotta help my kids. I gotta let my kids know that I'm gonna be there. If someone's gonna mistreat them, I'm gonna be there.
Alright, story time. There was this one day, this was years back. My little sister Geneva came home and she was like a bit upset.
Years back? You did that doing yesterday.
Yeah, I think I was in year 8 or something. I don't know. But Geneva was in primary school by herself and I was in high school. So there's no one with her. She came home one day and she was like, I think she was crying. I'm not really sure. But she came home and my mum was asking her why she's like upset. And then she said that a kid hit her. It was a guy. A male person pushed her or something. And my mum got angry. When everyone got angry. When we...
Oh, no. Oh, you're talking about that boy they put on the headlock.
Oh, is that what happened? Okay. So, a guy put her in a headlock. And when we heard about this, I got angry. My brother got angry. My sister... Like, we're all going to go down to the school and... Yeah. But then my mum went down to the school. Can I say it?
Oh, look, I spill it. Feel my awful. I just finished having a shower. I thought I would put on one of my nice tie-dye t-shirts.
You can just wash it out.
I know, but it's butter.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, I know.
And you made this.
Yeah.
Oh, pretty.
And now I hope the butter comes off.
Yeah, so then my mum went down to the school and she made the kid write my sister a sorry letter. And then And then my mum, like, oh, can I say it?
Mom.
I don't know if this is true or I don't know if this is right.
What?
But from what I was told, Mum held this boy by his collar and was like, don't ever.
No, I did not. Who told you this?
Geneva.
No, that's not even true.
Oh, what a liar.
No, she made that
So
up.
what happened?
I got to school, right? And see what I was told, that this kid is a bully at school. And my daughter, she rides a bike. And she went to hop on her bike. And as she was hopping on her bike, this boy walked up to her and put her on a headlock. And it was really sore. She said her ears were hurting, and he was rubbing her ears, and he was putting her on a headlock. And the more she was telling me, the more it infuriated me. Like, oh, I got so angry. Like, this little boy. Anyway, so he did that, and I said, so what did you do? Did you go and tell the teacher? You should have went and told the teacher, reported to the teacher. And she said, no, I just started crying, and then I just wanted to come home. And I said, look, okay then, tomorrow I'll take you to school. So I said, when we go there, I'll go and see the teacher, but I want you to point this kid out to me so I know what he looked like, you know. But anyway, when we got there, this one kid walks over, you know, like, so he goes, yeah, Lally. And I thought, kid, did I say I was... But probably because they saw me with Geneva. So the boy goes, yeah, Lally. And on the playground, there was that kid. And I look at this kid, he looked like almost double the height of my daughter, because Geneva is just a little short midget at that time. She's only a shrimp. Anyway, so I walked up to the kid and I said, why did you hit Geneva? And then he goes, you know.
Oh, wow.
And then he goes, and then I go, why did you hit Geneva? And then he goes, what? What are you going to do? And I go, you apologize to my daughter right now. That's what I did. I said, apologize to my daughter right now. Go, apologize to my daughter. And then and she goes, oh, I'm sorry. And I said, say it again. That's not an apology. And then he goes, sorry, Geneva. And then I go, yeah, don't you ever do it again. If you ever do it again, I'll be back here, okay? You hear me? And then if you get your mother, you tell your mother, come and see me. I was that angry. I was that angry. Yeah, guys, that's what I said to the poor kid.
I'm not poor kid. He put my sister in a headlock.
Yeah. So then I marched over to the headmaster. But she wasn't there, the principal, but I got to talk to the deputy principal. And I told what happened, and he said he already heard about it, and they had already arranged to talk to the kid. And I said, no. You summon his parents here in the office, and you explain to them to teach their child, don't ever, ever, ever lay their hand on my child or anyone's child again. You better do it. I was so angry. I was telling the
angry. You were angry. Can
you
I
weren't even
tissue,
there.
please? No, even when you came home and you were like still angry.
Yeah, you know, it was what the deputy, because I was talking, and he had this little like smirky grin on his face. He's probably looking at me like spitting out as I'm talking, and you know, saying, get the parents in the office, tell them, teach their child, la la. That's what I was so angry. And he had the smirk on his face, and I said to him, why do you have a smirk on your face when I'm trying to tell you something? Do you know this is why, you know, teachers, they overlook things that get done to the kids because you guys overlook it and you chase them away, go and sit down. The kids come and try and report to you guys what's happening to them. And you guys go, yeah, okay, don't tell fibs, don't tell lies, or don't be a telltale. How are they going to get the help? If they're not at home with their parents to get their protection, they're meant to be at school getting taught. And if there's anyone, you know, mistreating them, keep an eye on those kind of things. Because there have been children that's gone and committed suicide or whatever. Not me. I'm the opposite. If my child is getting bullied, if I find out, they already know the rule. If I find out that they bully someone, they're going to be in trouble.
Yeah.
Because I don't allow that. That's a no. And I always tell them, if you guys see someone else getting bullied at school, stick up for them. Okay, but we better say goodbye now, guys. And once again, I want to thank Tara for my intro. And it's so nice, you know. All right, some people are so good, eh? Oh, yeah. And it's got Cook and Eat with Faye, you know, because they're in my videos, you know, my past. I've got over 300 videos. So in those videos, I've got some of my cooking and eating and all that other stuff. So that's why Tara incorporate everything in that intro. So, guys, you have been a good guest today on our table with our seafood platter here. Thank you for joining me and this $5 girl over here.
$10 girl.
This $5 girl. Okay, guys? And thank you so much. Take care of each other. And don't forget, always praise God for everything that we get. Because without God, guys, we are nothing. And I always believe in that. We are nothing. We are nothing without God. So take care. Ka kite ki o manuia. Whasoi fua.
Bye!